What's going on, guys? It's Zach from Overland's Am. Today we're going to be changing out our OE cabin air filter for this premium guard cabin air filter that you can find on Amazon. Link in the description below. But first, if you like these videos, make sure that you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more. Let's get started. So tools needed for this install is none. You can do this install with just your bare hands and a couple tips from us. So first you want to access your passenger side of the Jeep. Easily done. Boom. Because we're going to be going right into this glove box. So first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and open your glove box. If it's locked, unlock it. If you have anything inside, which we do, then you're going to want to take that out. But I like to go ahead and disconnect. There's a little piece here that you can just easily disconnect. We're going to set that to the side, shoved it down there, and then there's a little flap right here. That's a stopper, so it's stopping our glove box from dropping down. So when you maneuver that, your glove box will drop down. So here you can see there's a whole lot of dust, but this is an excellent opportunity for you to take some wipes, wipe down inside here, and then when you remove your glove box, you can also wipe inside down there. So now your compartment should look like this. As you can see, it is a little bit dusty, so we will be wiping it down before we reinstall. But you're gonna wanna look for a little tab right over here. You're gonna pinch it, so these two tabs, pinch that, and then you gotta maneuver that bad boy up and out of the way. So now that you've done that, you have access to your cabin air filter here. So to remove this, you're going to go ahead and kind of crinkle it up to the side and remove. So you grab over toward your right side or the passenger side and grab that. You got to make it a little bit weird of an angle to completely get it out. So this is our original one that we had in here that needed to be changed. As you can see, the difference between the two are pretty spectacular. This started out as this before. So now that you have your old air filter out, what you want to do is get your new air filter, and you'll see on this that it has airflow here. You want to make sure that those arrows are facing down. So just like before, we're going to pinch the sides here, and I kind of give it a little bit of a twist so that way it looks like that. It'll make it much easier to go in, and you want to feed it in kind of at like an angle, in the sense that you go in more on the passenger side, that right side, and feed it in straight. It's kind of odd to do, but when you do it, it should just pop in, and then you feed it in like so. You take that part that you removed, feed in this side also to the right, and it's going to be difficult to see because it's behind the dash, but all you have to do is keep on lining it up, and eventually you'll get there. So when you feel like you're in, push that close, that'll lock, and then all you have to do is put your glove box back on. You recording? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we just finished cleaning our glove box and the compartment inside. We're gonna go ahead and put this glove box back inside the Jeep. You want to line up the bottom, and you want to slowly bring the glove box in and help guide the stopper at the top that we talked about before. And then finally, you reconnect this little piece. It's just a insert. There's a male and female end. For my viewers out there, you know what to do. And you've got your glove box back going on, working the way that it should, and now you have a clean cabin air filter in your Jeep Wrangler JL. So as we're putting the stuff back into the Jeep, what's a glove box without a pair of gloves? I've been doing this since I was 16 years old and found out that the real reason of a glove box was back in the day they needed to because they didn't have power steering. So since then, I've always had a glove box with gloves in it. Hopefully this video helped you make some routine maintenance very easy, very simple. You avoid spending like $60 at the dealership minimum to just do something on your own, no tools required, just a little bit of time. Truthfully, this whole thing while we were recording took about 20 minutes. So it's really like a 10 to 15 minute install since you now know what you're doing. Please make sure to subscribe for more content so that way we can keep posting the content. We really love informing you, teaching you how to do stuff as we learn how to do it, and then sharing our off-road experiences with you. If you like this video, make sure to give a like and then comment down below if you have any other tips, tricks that you think that we could use in our next video. It's appreciated, and we'll catch you at the next one.
Dirty filter for a dirty man.
It's gonna get dust everywhere, baby. Stop
Good.
that.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
I know I'm beautiful, thank you.
You are beautiful, baby.